Interesting times we live in now. If you haven't been paying attention to the news, right? People have been terrified to be investing right now. But what you need to pay attention to here, this is the key moment in history where the movers and shakers evolve, right? They become more than regular humans or investors. Think about a long time ago, right? If you don't know the story, the market was hitting all-time lows, right? Very, very lows. And these big people, right? People now who are billionaires were jumping into the market, investing money, buying up properties, rental properties during recession periods. Now they're very wealthy. One case, Warren Buffett. Warren Buffett put a ton of money into the market when it was going down very low, right? He is known as this great investor, right? And he is a great investor. A lot of people actually follow him. And he likes to invest in value, right? So he looks at the company. What value does this company bring? Not how valuable they are, but what value do they bring? And that's what he invests in. At a fair price, obviously. But right now, today, right? People are looking at the market and they're scared. They're scared. But if you look at billionaires right now, some billionaires out there, like Carl Icahn, right? This guy said, if everybody else is selling their money, this man is dumping money into the market. He's buying up everything. He said something to the tune of, I have to buy these stocks right now. At these prices, he's buying. So what does that mean? Should you be buying as well? Well, I'm no financial advisor, so I can't tell you if you should be buying right now. But what I can tell you is prices are hitting to some all-time lows right now. So your boy has jumped into that market. So should you be scared to jump into the market? The answer might be you shouldn't be, right? If some of these billionaires are actually willing to put that money on the line, right? Their reputation on the line. They have a lot more to lose than you do. A lot more to lose. And they're throwing their money in the market. Well, what are you afraid of? These guys have been doing this for their entire lives. And they know this is just a cycle. All of this stuff is just a cycle, right? There will be another recession. Don't know if there's going to be now. Don't know if it's going to be tomorrow. Who knows? It might be 50 years from now if we're lucky. But what they do know is it's a cycle, right? And if you keep regularly investing, right? Don't overdo it, because that's where the problems hit. But if you regularly invest, what that's going to do for you is it's going to slowly, even if the market is going down, you're throwing more money in the market, right? So let's say you're putting $50 each week, right? Or each bye week that you get paid, you put $50 and you're buying stocks. And let's say it's worth $25. You just bought 2 stocks that week, right? Now let's say the next paycheck, it's only worth $20. Well, guess what? You still only bought 2 stocks, but you got it for a lot cheaper. Instead of paying $50 for 2 stocks, you pay $40. So they just keep investing, throwing money in there, putting money in there. And then eventually as it starts to go back up, right, your average cost of what you bought the stock at was a lot lower by the time it's fully done, right? And it starts moving in the other direction, right? And it's this thing called dollar cost averaging, right? You're just buying slowly over time. And then it's averaging out, right? So all those dips and highs and lows, it's averaging to say this is what your stocks were bought at. And over time, you barely notice it, right? Now, let's say you went out there and you spent 15 grand and you put it in Apple. And let's say it drops $2, right? Well, guess what? You just lost a decent chunk of change. But if you did it at 15 grand slowly, you don't see it as often, right? You're not paying attention. Those dips, you're used to seeing those over time. So it doesn't cause you to create this huge reaction when something happens in the market, especially like what's been going on right now. Right, this illness is hitting. People are scared. They're selling. Right, there's an old saying when there's blood in the street, well, it's a good time to buy. This is your boy G Kid, and I just wanted to let you know, maybe this fear is for nothing. Stock markets might be at a great price to buy right now, but hey, what do I know? Make sure to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button down below. It helps the channel out a ton. Now, if you guys want to know some investing tips and things that I've learned after investing, and remember, I'm not a financial advisor, but these are things that I've actually learned from the market and working in the field. Make sure to leave a comment down below and I can give you some tips on that. Talk about it a little bit more of what I actually invest in. It's your boy G Kid. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button down below. Can't wait to see you in the next video. Peace.